Hey everybody, and welcome to my channel. It's me, Lady T, and I'm going to do a Christmas centerpiece. As you can see, I've already started, and I'm taking out my floral foam, and I'm going to attach it to that white piece of foam that came in a box of something that I ordered, and I've been holding on to that for I don't know how long. So as you can see, the first floral foam that I used was too long, so I had another piece that I had originally was the same size of the first piece you saw, but I chopped it up for something. Now I'm gluing it onto the foam piece and with some hot glue. And then you're going to see me putting on the candles onto the centerpiece. Now, I didn't glue my candles down on the centerpiece because I'm planning on changing the candles or adding something to them, like some words or whatever. And I just wanted to do that. Now, as you can see, we have skipped the video, and now the white piece of foam that it was on is now red. I decided to do that because I wanted it to blend in instead of just being white. I wanted it to blend in with the rest of the centerpiece. And I'm using red flowers and silver flowers from the Dollar Tree. Right here, I'm cutting the stems off of the bouquet so that I can place them individually onto the foam. I'm having a little trouble cutting those flowers off, but that's what I'm doing right now so that we can place them individually. Now, some of these flowers have berries on them. Some of them have shininess to them, or glitter to them, I should say. So I'm going to be using all of them. And we're going to see how beautiful it turns out at the end. Right here you see I'm putting in my first flower, and I put it in the center of the centerpiece so I can decide how I wanted to set my other flowers. Now, let me just go back a little bit while you're watching this and tell you that the candles were white originally, and I painted them red. I just like them red, and I used these for another project, so I just recycle them. And I painted the foam red as well, so I didn't want all that whiteness showing through, and I think it makes for a better looking centerpiece with it being red. And as you can see, I put the red flower in the middle, and then I put the silver flowers around it. And you could do this any way you like, but I just like it this way, and starting in the middle. So there's 3 candles there, and one candle is sitting on a candlestick, and I'm sorry that I didn't show you guys that, but the middle candle is sitting on the candlestick while the other 2 candles are sitting flat on the board. Well, it's not sitting on a candlestick, y'all. It's sitting on the green floral foam. Please forgive me for my little confusion right there, but it's sitting on the green floral foam. And as you can see by the candle on the left, there's bling on the bottom, and all 3 of the candles have bling on the bottom. And as I said, these candles were used in a previous DIY, and I'm just recycling them right now and using them. So I'm deciding where I want my flowers and how I want it. It's really very easy DIY, so just keep watching. And if you like it, please give me a thumbs up, please share, and please subscribe. I'm Lady T, and you're watching Lady T Crafting and Creating with Lupus. And some of you know that I have lupus, and sometimes it's a struggle to do things for me. And I'm just sitting here. I actually enjoy doing these. They calm me down. Not that I was hyper, but they just soothe me when I'm making centerpieces. And I've just felt well enough today to do the centerpieces, so that's what I'm going to try. And you see those red picks, I guess that's what they're called. They kind of look orange to me right there, so I'm kind of not going to use them because they look orange. But those are berries.